without wasting any time, let's look my daily lesson plan. So my daily lesson plan, I want to teach about fraction, adding and subtracting fractions in grade 4, and duration is 60 minutes. So firstly we need to structure our lesson plans. First, we need to gain attention, which is Gardner sensory memory theories was applied. Activity is show a real life problem. Example, a pizza cut into slice. Question: if I eat two of 6 slices and my friend eats one more, how many slices are left? Purpose: grab students' attention and engage their sense they are to make sure the student focus on what we as a teacher want to teach on them today. Next, we need to recall prior knowledge, which is Gardner retrieval was applied. Activity: ask a student to recall what they know how about fraction. Example question: what is a fraction? What does the numerator and denominator represent? Pigeon connection is use a concrete operational state, logical thinking, and recall of concept. Next, we have present new information, which is Gardner encoding and working memory. Explain addition of fraction using visual aids, fraction bars, diagram, real-life object. Next, hands-on activity. Give each student a paper pizza cut into equal parts and demonstrate how to combine fractions. Pigeon connection. Use a concrete learning with hands-on material to add understanding. Next, we have guard learning, which is Gardner working memory and perception. Activity: solve a fraction problem together step by step. Example: 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. So equal to what? Using fraction bars on the board to make the student more understand. Project connection is encourage action, active learning, and peer discussion. Next, number 5, encourage independent practice, Gardner storage and retrieval. Worksheet. Activity: students solve 5 problems on adding and subtracting fraction. We can divided them as a group work. Students pair up to compare answer and explain their thinking. Next, Pigeon connection. Social interaction promotes deeper understanding, social learning. So here is an application of learning theories and constructivism in mathematical activities. First, we have hands-on learning. Pigeon concrete operational stage. We use pizza slice to make student understand more about fractions. Next, we have active exploration, which is constructivism, encourage students to construct their own understanding through discovery-based learning. Next, we have step-by-step information processing, Gardner models, structuring the lesson from attention to recall, accounting practice, and retrieval. Hence, implication of cognitive learning theories and constructivism based on individual difference, differential strategies, visual learners, use diagram, fraction bars, and a color coding. Next, we have a student which is who kinesthetic learners, provide hands-on and manipulative. And lastly, we have student auditory learners, encourage discussion and verbal explanation. Next, encouraging multiple approach. Let students use different strategies to solve problems and allow peer teaching to enhance understanding. So here this is like about implication of cognitive learning theories and constructivism in teaching mathematics. So what we learn is what the implication is. Pigeon theory encourage hands-on exploratory learning, match instruction to student development stage, concrete operation. We have also Gardner models, ensure structured and effective processing of information. Next, constructive approach, promote student-centered learning, collaboration, and real-world application. Now, we continue with Q&A session. So the question is, I got from Afi is, what strategies can the teacher use to help this student better understand the theory of fraction operation? So my answer is the teachers need to incorporate visual representation such as fraction bars or real life example to enhance student conceptual understanding of adding and subtracting fractions. Breaking down the process into clear sequential steps can facilitate comprehension, while connecting lesson to real world context make learning more meaningful. That's all from me. Thank you.